Okay, fourth question. Why isn't the same test data reusable in multiple environments?
That is a great question because we are using the different database for each of the environment. So you can do multiple way. One is you have to create, because the test data on the test server is only the test database. In the staging environment, it has their own database. So now you have to create the same data for the staging environment to test it. So to do it, you have to either copy the test environment data to do the staging environment. But you cannot just do it if you do not have the functionality in your application. You cannot do it. And this is the reason most of the time we actually create the test data multiple sets in the multiple environment, unless there is the cloning options, the functionality is available in between the environment.